Reverend Greg Dorst, Senior Minister for the Claremont Center for Spiritual Living, joins us as he does each week to guide us through the process of living a happier and more fulfilling life. And Reverend Greg, there is so much really scary stuff in the news right now. I mean, just all over the world. How do we see all of that? And you know, it causes a certain amount of fear, and some of it probably should, but still maintain that sense of peace within ourselves. Can that even be done?
Ron, we see so much today that does not look like peace in the exterior of our lives. We have what looks like war in all, of the Middle Eastern areas. We have strife in areas that are in Northern Africa. And it looks like there, at the macro level, there is a very unpeaceful world brewing. The trick
even
is,
closer to home, I might have an unpeaceful work environment.
Well, you might, but see, that's something you have control over. And you always have control over how it is that you deal with that peace at the macro level not occurring, see? Now, the things that are happening in other parts of the world, or maybe even down your street that might be disturbing, are things that are just happening. And they're happening in a way that may put you in fear. But do you really have to react to that fear? Well, you might have inside of you, deep inside of you, in your subconscious mind, some feelings around this being the only life there is, that this being all that you get on either this earth or anywhere else. But the absolute truth is, Ron, that you are one with Spirit. You are one with God. You are one with that creative source. That thing that brought you into existence by merely creating you out of itself, and you are divinely protected as a result of that. So that peace that you can instill in yourself personally can be guided by that knowing.
So you can find this place to be the eye of the hurricane, so to speak, that regardless of what's going on around you, it's a choice to still find and keep that inner sense of peace.
Well, sure. And I think that's the essence of real courage.
I do too.
Yeah.
And we certainly don't want a life that's led by fear. Reverend Greg, every Sunday, Claremont Center for Spiritual Living, services at
10:30 a.m. with a meditation that begins at 10.
All right. I'm there most Sundays. Come on by, say hi to either of us. I have it on good word. He's there pretty much every Sunday. So come on by and say hello. Don't go away. We will be right back.